This is UiCone 189, an exclusive breast mask. I just found something super interesting. It's a breast enhancement technology that's totally non-invasive. No needles, no massage, no weird stuff. It uses multi-frequency microcurrents with a special mesh bra, and it actually helps your breasts grow naturally again. If you still have your period, in about 25 days, you can see at least 1 cup size up.
With the UIC 189 combined with the mesh bra, soft, empty and hollow breasts after pregnancy can become fuller, firmer and thicker, stretching out skin folds and restoring a youthful, pink-toned appearance.
For women already satisfied with their size, it also enhances smoothness, elasticity, and firmness. With regular care, it helps resist natural sagging and aging caused by gravity, maintaining the breasts in their best condition.
Whether it's postpartum shrinkage or women already happy with their size, the device also trains the pectoral muscles to better support the front fat tissue, creating a firmer, more lifted breast shape. First, maintain a balanced diet, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Then, during the session, wear the hands-free bra and connect the UIC 189 to the electrode wires. Based on your personal needs, select the program for enlargement or lifting. The UIC 189 will deliver specific electrical currents to draw estrogen and nutrients into the breasts, stimulating fat cells to expand and multiply, leading to natural breast growth. The best part is, without disrupting the body's natural structure, UIC's multi-frequency microcurrents not only boost the fat tissue that plays the most crucial role in breast size, but also increase the thickness of collagen fibers and the number of elastic fibers in the dermis, even providing static training for the pectoral muscles. The result? Breasts that are not only fuller and bouncier, but also lifted and firm. You start with Program 1, wakes up your cells. Program 4 boosts blood flow to the breasts and send all the growth resources straight to the breasts. And Program 3, enhance repair and regeneration. You can also add Program 2 to train the pectoral muscles, brings back proper tension and elasticity, and makes your breasts look firmer and more lifted. Easy, natural growth. Whether your boobs are flat, small, saggy after pregnancy, or even asymmetric, this is perfect for you. And guess what? This breast growing tech is now available for less than $1,000. Honestly, I love that it feels safe, healthy, and scientific. You have to try this.